Hello everyone and welcome to Autobots channel Kolkata. Today I am very excited because I'm going to unbox my newest speaker, which is ZEBRONICS Roxor 100W karaoke speaker. So I have a lot of speakers in my collection. I have speakers of Boat, Yamaha, Creative, but I never had a karaoke speaker. So this is my first karaoke party speaker. So it has a mic function with which we can sing songs during house parties. Also, it comes with a 100 watts sound output, which is very good, and it also supports Dolby audio, which creates distortion free clear crisp audio. So it's very nice, and it is also very compact in size, not huge, so I can easily place it with my home. Also carry it on weekends when we go out on trips, and also during house parties. So I'm very much excited for this speaker. I got this delivered today from Amazon, and the price that I have paid for it is very attractive. Normally this speaker goes for sale for about 15 or 16,000, but I got it for only 9,000 during the Diwali Amazon sale, after of course the card discounts and all. So let's quickly unbox it. I'm going to show you what all the contents I get from the speaker, and also how does it look, how does it functions. So let's quickly unbox the ZEBRONICS Roxor karaoke party speaker. So the packaging is quite nice. I am just going to open it. It is completely sealed from all the sides. So here it is written that it has a dual 13.33 centimeter drivers. So it comes with a UHF mic. It has mic, guitar input. It has of course karaoke function, LED indicators, RGB lights. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. There is an LED switch on and off button. It also has a mobile holder, remote control, and it also comes with a recording functions, memory card, and USB up to 32 GB. And the weight is approximately 9 kg. So yeah, it's quite heavy. So let's open the box. This is the first time I'm doing the unboxing of it. So here I have all the accessories. So it has a remote. I'll just keep it for the time being and see what exactly it's. So there are some protective covering. This is a mic, some other accessories also. I'll keep it aside for the time being. And this is the main speaker unit, which is quite heavy, and I don't have anything, so I'm just going to put this aside. So here is our main speaker unit. Let me just open the plastic. It's completely wrapped in a nice protective shell, and yes, so you see this has rubber paddings on both sides, so you can place the speaker in this way also or in this way also, and it has grab handle to carry the speaker. It's quite heavy. It definitely feels very nicely built, and it has a good weight to it. On the bottom there is a hole with which you can attach speaker stands, which generally you see during the parties, and on the top you have all the controls. So I'll just show you the controls. Normally we keep the speaker in this way, which is the vertical position, and over the top everything is there. So we have a mobile stand here and position to grab the handle, the other functions. So this I will show you in a jiffy, but before that just going to place it sideways for the timing, and I'll show you what are the other accessories that are coming with it. So I have this is the UFC mic. So UFC means high frequency mic. Generally you see that mics has a lot of distortion, some connection problems, which is very less with a UFC mic. I'll keep it here. Let's see what other else we have got. So we have got, I think it's an adapter. This is a rechargeable battery. This is the charger, and this is an adapter. So this is an adapter. This goes on the back side with the mic control, and this battery, it goes inside, so it is rechargeable. I can recharge it with a Type-C port and the cable provided. So this will be helpful to connecting the mic along with the device. Let's see what else we have got. So this is the rest of the accessories pack. So we have the power cable. So this comes with a rechargeable battery. Also this speaker can be used in a wired way also, and since it has an HDMI ERC, so it comes with an HDMI cable with which it can be attached to a TV or any devices which supports HDMI ERC, so that audio can be controlled. And of course it has a remote control which can control all the functions of this speaker. And this is an aux cable which is supplied to connect other audio devices. QR code to update the warranty. So this is everything that is there in the box pack of the ZEBRONICS Roxor 100 speaker. Now let's switch on our speaker and see all the other functions and connections that the speaker has. Now let's look at all the controls that is on the top of the speaker. So it has a TWS functions. That means if you have another same speaker, you can pair both the speakers and both will act as a stereo speaker. In the middle is the power button. This is the source button. This is the battery indication, and we have a small Dolby logo on this side. Also it is written here Dolby audio. So this comes with a Dolby audio, which means clear distortion free audio. And we have play and pause, backward or back, next or forward button. And this is the volume knob, and with this I think it can change the lights which are over here. So this one panel lights up with LED. It also has flash. We have a ZEBRONICS logo in the middle. Also we have another flash on the bottom, and here is also LED light strip is there. I have currently plugged the speaker with a power cable. So let me just switch on the speaker. So switching on the speaker for the first time, and it is getting charged. That's why this indicator is blinking. Let's power it on. So now it's powered on and all the buttons are lit up. So now it's trying to connect with Bluetooth. And here you can see the LED light strip. It's changing colors. We have another in the bottom right there, and I can change this by pressing this light switch here, and it has some different effects. And I can also change the way the LEDs will move, and using the volume button. So this is nice. It shows the LED indicator for the volume function. That is the volume button over here, plus minus, all like this. The Bluetooth switch is blinking. It's trying to connect. So I'm going to connect my phone with it via Bluetooth, and I'll give you a glimpse of how the audio sounds like. So let's do it. So now that we have seen what are the controls that are there on the top of the speaker, on the back side the guitar controls are there. Guitar controls, the mic attachment control, and few other small controls are there. This is the look of the speaker from the front. I have attached it using my phone. I'm going to play a few no copyright music songs for a minute or so that you can have a brief idea about the sound quality. I will do a separate video showing the sound quality in details so that you have a much better idea. I'm using this remote. The bad thing about this speaker was that it doesn't come with a batteries for the remote, and neither did it had any batteries for the mic. So again, this is a very basic IR remote. Everything in the speaker you can control using this remote. So here is a mic button with which if you press it, all the vocals in any song will get muted so that you can sing with it, and that is how the karaoke function works. and rest has bass function, treble, volume, mute. You can change the different light options like this. So it's a very functional remote, and also it has a power on and off button. Now my phone is connected with the speaker by using Bluetooth. I'm going to play some no copyright music. So here you can also see the flash light effects and the other LED light effects. I'll keep on changing the light effects so that you can have an idea how these light functions work. And I'm just going to raise the volume a bit. So this is the 50% volume, and I'm going to keep the volume at this level only. So that was a brief sound test with the Bluetooth audio. I'll soon have a very detailed audio test, so keep following our channel for that. So that was my unboxing and first look about ZEBRONICS Roxor 100 karaoke party speaker. If you have any questions about the speaker, mention it into the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also share the video with your social community. I will share a separate audio test of this speaker soon in my channel, where I will show you how this speaker sounds connecting with an ERC cable along with the TV. Also, how is the mic quality and how does the overall mic function, that is the karaoke function, works. So stay tuned for a lot of videos on this ZEBRONICS Roxor 100 party speaker on the channel. See you soon in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.